Hi, if you are a website owner or an SEO professional, you know how crucial it is to have a fast loading website. Slow website can probably disrupt your user experience and can decrease your search engine rankings. Here are 5 common factors that can slow down your website speed and actionable solutions to fix them. So let's dive in. Number 1. Document Object Model (DOM). Document Object Model is the structure of your HTML code and how it's interpreted by the browser. If your HTML code is poorly structured or has too many nested elements, it can probably affect your website speed. To fix this, you can simplify your HTML code into number of your nested elements, minimize the use of inline style and scripts, use browser caching to reduce the need for frequent parsing. CSS. CSS is used to style your website and to control its layout. However, if your CSS is too complex or has too many rules, it can probably slow down your website. To fix this, you can minimize the use of unnecessary CSS style, combine multiple CSS files into one file, use CSS preprocessors like Sass or Less to optimize your code. JavaScript. JavaScript is a powerful scripting language that can make your website interactive and dynamic. If your JavaScript code is too large or has too many scripts, it can slow down your website. To fix this, minimize the use of external scripts. Optimize your JavaScript code using a tool like Google Closure Compiler. Use asynchronous loading to prevent blocking. Media files. Rich media files like images, videos, frames, and other rich content can significantly slow down your website speed. Large images and videos can take too long time to load your website, which can increase your page load time and disrupt your user experience. To fix this, compress images and videos to reduce their sizes. Use correct image format such as JPG for images and PNG for graphics. Use CDN to host your media files. Lastly, large pages. Large pages with lot of content takes too much time to load your website. It can take longer for browser to load and render everything. To fix this, break your content into smaller pages. Use lazy loading to load the content as the user scrolls the page. Well, there are many factors that can slow down your website, including DOM, CSS, JavaScript, media files, large pages, and many more. To optimize your website performance, it is important to keep these elements in your mind and ensure that your website is running smoothly. By doing so, you can improve your user experience and search engine rankings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and follow for more SEO tips and tricks.